How to make money from elections. Working at a polling station during the upcoming election is the perfect money-making opportunity for students. Find out what you need to do to earn up to £250 for one day's work. What does an election poll clerk do? Essentially, a poll clerk's job is to assist in the general running of voting day and being a point of contact for any questions that voters might have. If you've ever been to a polling station to vote, you'll be familiar with poll clerks. They're the people who greet you as you arrive to vote, issue your ballot paper and tick your name off their list of local registered voters. They're also in charge of setting up voter booths and ensuring they provide complete privacy for each voter. Applying to work as an election poll clerk. How do you get a job as a poll clerk? Lucky for you, the application process to work as a poll clerk is pretty straightforward, but the key is to get in there nice and early, as positions tend to fill up quickly. You can apply to work as a poll clerk as long as you are over 18 years of age, able to read and write, on the electoral roll, not a member of any political party. If you're not already on the electoral roll, get registered now. Not only do you need this in order to vote yourself, but not being registered also means you won't have a credit rating, which is really important when it comes to just about anything money related in your life. How to apply to become a poll clerk. To apply, your first step would be to try Googling your local council to find contact details of their electoral registration and elections office. You can then either call them or send an email inquiring if there are any stations looking for poll clerks. They'll then send you out an application or point you in the direction of an online version if there's one available. Again, bear in mind that places fill up fast, so it's worth getting on this now if you fancy a gig working the upcoming election.